Go for it. Break the set. That's what today's for.
My name is Shalee Cole Mauleón. I am an MFA directing candidate. One of the most significant gifts that Boston University has given me is the opportunity to work on our workshop production of Scramble, to be able to bring this category of theater, working with living playwrights on new work, to students here. It's the part of theater that I love the most, collaborating with playwrights. So to be able to get to do that as my thesis production, to pursue the type of theater that I want to be making professionally is a gift.
My name is Joice. I'm an MFA student and my master's is in costume design. I chose to do my master's at Boston University to challenge myself. I feel like since I got to this program, I got to grow a lot as a professional. I had so many great opportunities and I feel ready to work in the industry.